In today's video, I will show you how to add apps on your MacBook Dock. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you need to use a particular app on your Mac frequently, it's easy to add it to your dock once there. Your favorite app is only one click away at any time. So how to do it is so simple. So to add apps on your MacBook Dock is so simple. You can just drag the application to the dock for the application that you want to add in here. For example, we can open the Launchpad first. Now you can just choose on the app that you want to add to your dock. Maybe this one. For the example, you want to add WhatsApp to your dock. You can just click and hold and drag it to your dock. You can place it in here like this. And it will appear on your dock. It's so simple, right? And what if you want to remove it? You can just tap and hold and you can just drag it like this. It's a simple, right? So that is how to add your app to your MacBook Dock. You can add more app on your dock just like this, like this. So simple. You don't need to open your system preferences or your settings on your MacBook. You can just drag the apps to your dock. So simple, right? So that is how to add apps to your MacBook Dock. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.